Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Patreon? Patreon is membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, musicians, and we have writers and podcasters also, and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So as you can see, first of all you have to do is just click over get started and you write your email address and your password, then you will find an account. So let's click on over login because I already get started with patreon.com. So you have to write your email address here, then you click over continue. So let's wait first. As you can see, then we will find other page which I have to blank my password, as you can see. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find your page. This is the home page. As you can see, you will find this page. But before, I will give you how you can use Patreon. So using Patreon is straightforward and can be broken down into a few key steps. First, create an account on the Patreon website and set up your creator profile, which includes your pure profile picture and a compelling description of what you offer. Next, define your membership tiers, outlining the different levels of support and the exclusive rewards patrons will receive at each tier. Once your tiers are set, customize your page with engaging visuals and content that reflects your brand. After that, promote your Patreon page through your social media channel, website, or email newsletter to attract potential patrons. Finally, consistently deliver on your promises by providing valuable content and engaging with your community to build lasting relationships with your supporters. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream on Patreon. So this is how it works with Patreon. And right now I will show you how you can get started. We have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. So the first one we have here, add a profile photo, then we have describe your page. You have just to let people know who are you, or you can just introduce yourself and what you will be using Patreon for. About this one, as you can see, you have right into a video here, video URL. Then we have here add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and what you are on Patreon. Then we have your social. You can use YouTube. For me, I use YouTube. I connected with YouTube. Also, you have Instagram here, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok also. Then we have here make your first public posts. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. So this one you can just choose the one you want, select a type here, text, video, audio, image, link, poll also, or live stream. Once you choose, you will find other page. I will show you that as soon as possible. Then we have here publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have the last one. We tell people share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back to this one. You have just to choose, for example, I will choose text. Then you will find other page, which is this one. We have here in this page create text posts, and you have to add a title. For example, here I will choose a title selling products. Then I will come back here and write specific something selling Kyrie shoes as an example for. Then we have here attachments also, you can upload it. Then we have here next, we have here some products who can access this post, public or just specific members. Then we have set a release date, schedule your post or set it to have an early release date. Backdated post won't be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. And we have our comments on this post, notify members when this post goes live, and other things. Then you click over publish. So then we have your collections also, but I will come back here. So let's come back to the top. Also we have your collection also here. So you can just create a collection here. You write your title. You can also upload the image, description also here, and you click over create collection. Then we have memberships. About this one, we have build your paid membership income. You can count on requiring income from your biggest fan. Start with what you have, offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then we have grow your creative businesses, get insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats, and more. Then you click over get started. You have a new tire, as you can see. So you have to choose what to offer, what benefits should I offer. We have your bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to community chat, member only voting. Then we have early access. Then you have to click over next. You write your name, monthly price, also the tire description. You add a cover image if you want, benefits also here. Then we have free trial, and you can just switch on. And we have also advanced. For example, tire settings, you can have limited number of people. For example, I will choose 1 million. Then we have ask members for a shipping address, and then I've limited the number. We have 1 million because I'm very famous and I want just 1 million people that join this. Then you click over save. So I click over leave, and let's come back to the home page where I will show you other options. We have also here library, audience, insights, payout, promotions, community, notification, and settings also. Then we have here about. So Patreon is an invaluable resource for creators seeking financial stability and community engagement. By clearly defining their offerings, maintaining regular communication, and utilizing tiered subscription models, creators can maximize the platform potential. These strategies help build strong relationships with supporters, ensuring a sustainable creative journey. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.